In this video, we are going to practice more than 50 daily use very interesting English sentences. So, pay close attention. Let's dive into the video. Our first one is, आपको हमेशा देर क्यों होती है? Why are you always late? Why are you always late? मैं सुबह देर से उठता हूँ. I get up late in the morning. I get up late in the morning. आप किसके साथ यहाँ आए? Who did you come here with? Who did you come here with? आपने कॉल क्यों नहीं किया, ना बताया? Why didn't you call and tell me? Why didn't you call and tell me? इसके बारे में मैं माफ़ी मांगता हूँ. I am so sorry about this. माफ़ी स्वीकार हुई. Apology accepted. तुम्हारे बिना मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ. Without you, I am nothing. Without you, I am nothing. तुम्हारा मतलब मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ है. You mean a lot to me. You mean a lot to me. मैं कुछ सोचूंगा. I will thinking of something. I will thinking of something. यदि आपको कोई सहायता की ज़रूरत पड़े तो मुझे बताना. If you need any help, let me know. If you need any help, let me know. क्या आप एक पार्टी रखने वाले हैं? Are you going to have a party? Are you going to have a party? यह फैसला लेना बहुत कठिन था. It was a tough decision to make. It was a tough decision to make. यह आपके लिए अच्छा नहीं है. It's not fair to you. क्या मुझे सावधानी से गाड़ी चलानी चाहिए? Should I drive carefully? Should I drive carefully? हाँ, तुम्हें वाहन चलाने के दौरान सावधान रहना चाहिए. Yes, you should be cautious while driving. You should be cautious while driving. क्या तुम तेज वाहन चला सकते हो? Can you drive faster? Can you drive faster? क्या आप यहाँ एकाग्र हो सकते हो? Can you focus here? Can you focus here? हाँ, मैं इसके लिए ध्यान दे सकता हूँ. Yes, I can pay attention to this. Yes, I can pay attention to this. क्या मुझे गंभीर होना चाहिए? Should I get serious? Should I get serious? हाँ, आपको अधिक केंद्रित होना चाहिए. Yes, you should be more focused. You should be more focused. क्या आप कभी विदेश गए हैं? Have you ever been abroad? Have you ever been abroad? हर कोई डरा हुआ है. Everybody was scared. Everybody was scared. मैं डर की कल्पना कर सकता हूँ. I can imagine the fear. I can imagine the fear. क्या आप सहमत हैं? Do you agree with? Do you agree with? आप कल क्या करने वाले हो? What are you going to do tomorrow? Next. क्या मुझे जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी चाहिए? Should I not rush? Should I not rush? यहाँ कोई किसी का नहीं होता है. No one belongs to anyone here. No one belongs to anyone here. आपने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बुलाया? Why didn't you call me earlier? Why didn't you call me earlier? मैंने ये पहले कभी सुना है. I have never heard it before. I have never heard it before. आपको अंदर आने की अनुमति किसने दी? Who allowed you come in? Who allowed you come in? आपको इस मामले में नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. You must get into this matter. You must get into this matter. वह बचपन से आलसी है. He is lazy since childhood. He is lazy since childhood. आप अभी तक यहाँ क्यों हैं? Why are you still here? Why are you still here? मेरा काम नहीं हुआ अभी तक. My work is not done yet. My work is not done yet. वे सभी कहाँ गए? Where did they all go? Where did they all go? वे सभी पार्टी में गए. They all went to the party. They all went to the party. यह सब कब हुआ था? When did all this happen? आप घर वापस कब आएंगे? When will you come back home? When will you come back home? क्या मुझे उसके साथ जाना चाहिए या नहीं? Should I go out with her or not? Should I go out with her or not? आप वहाँ क्यों जा रहे हैं? Why are you going there? Why are you going there? मुझे क्या पहनना चाहिए? What should I wear? What should I wear? अभी तक निश्चित नहीं, जल्द ही निश्चित करते हैं। Not sure yet, decide soon. Not sure yet, decide soon. मैंने तुम्हारा नाम कभी नहीं सुना। I have never heard your name. I have never heard your name. Thank you so much.